Greetings, Mustang family. I'm Miss Freeman, the proud principal of Cliftondale Elementary School. I'm so excited to welcome you to our 2021-2022 first semester virtual awards day ceremony. In respect of keeping everyone safe due to COVID, we have opted for a virtual ceremony. We will still honor the hard work our scholars have put in first semester. Thanks to you and your support, the dedication of our staff, and the resilience of our scholars, we have made many gains first semester. Our Beta Club went to convention this year and took home 4 awards. First place, Written Quiz Bowl. Second place, Color Photography. Fourth place, Oral Quiz Bowl. And fifth place, Club Trading Pin. Congratulations to our Beta Club scholars. Our scholars were also awarded the iReady Super School status for January for 58% of our scholars growing at least one grade level placement in math on their iReady diagnostic assessment. Family, as you can see, we are still thriving even during a pandemic. Scholars, congratulations to you. I am so proud of you and all of the progress that you have made this first semester. Family, thank you for your continued support and welcome to our 2021-2022 first semester virtual awards day ceremony.